Aloha everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting adventure planned as we go through how to spend 5 days in Kauai, Hawaii. Get ready for a journey filled with breathtaking landscapes, outdoor activities, and relaxation on stunning beaches. In this comprehensive guide, we'll provide you with a day-by-day itinerary that combines the best of Kauai, ensuring you make the most out of your trip. Let's dive in and explore the wonders of the Garden Island. Kauai, often referred to as the Garden Island, is a true gem in the Hawaiian archipelago. With its wild and breathtakingly beautiful landscapes, it's no wonder that Kauai is a popular destination for travelers seeking adventure and natural beauty. Whether you have 10 days to explore or are planning a shorter trip, this guide will help you make the most of your time on this stunning island. When deciding where to stay in Kauai, you have two main options, the North Shore or the South Shore. Each has its unique charm and attractions, so it ultimately depends on your preferences. The North Shore of Kauai is known for its unmatched scenery, reminiscent of the famous Jurassic Park movies. If you're seeking a truly magical and nature-filled experience, this is the place to be. The lush landscapes, towering mountains, and pristine beaches will leave you in awe. Consider staying in Princeville or Hanalei on the North Shore. These areas offer easy access to the stunning Na Pali Coast and provide a more secluded and peaceful atmosphere. You'll find a range of accommodations, from upscale resorts to vacation rentals. If sunshine and predictable weather are high on your priority list, the South Shore, specifically the Poipu area, is the place to be. Poipu is the driest part of the island, ensuring more sun-filled days during your stay. It also offers a variety of beautiful beaches and outdoor activities. The Poipu area is scenic and home to stunning resorts like the Grand Hyatt Kauai Resort and Spa. Staying here will give you easy access to Waimea Canyon, also known as the Grand Canyon of the Pacific, and other attractions on the South Shore. If you can't decide between the two, split your stay and experience the best of both worlds. Start in Poipu for a sun-drenched adventure, then move to Princeville or Hanalei for a more immersive nature experience. Welcome to Kauai. After touching down at Lihu Airport, you'll be greeted by the warm Hawaiian breeze and the scent of tropical flowers in the air. Waste no time in starting your island adventure by heading straight to the nearest beach. With its golden sands and crystal clear waters, the beach is the perfect place to unwind and soak up the sun. Don't forget to lather on sunscreen, put on your sunglasses, and don a hat to protect yourself from the island's intense rays. As the day draws to a close, consider experiencing a traditional Hawaiian luau to kickstart your vacation in true Hawaiian style. After a day of travel and beach bliss, rest up for an exciting day ahead. Take advantage of the time difference and wake up early to book an exhilarating helicopter tour of the island. This early start allows you to reschedule in case of inclement weather later in your trip. Enjoy breathtaking aerial views of Kauai's diverse landscapes, from lush valleys to towering waterfalls. After your helicopter ride, grab your snorkeling gear and head to Poipu Beach for an underwater adventure. Dive into the crystal clear waters and swim alongside colorful fish in their natural habitat. Treat yourself to a delicious lunch at Brenneck's Beach Broiler, located just steps away from the beach. As the sun sets, indulge in appetizers and drinks at the beach house, followed by a fabulous dinner at Roy's Poipu Bar and Grill. Spend the day exploring the stunning coastline of Kauai's South Shore. Start by visiting the Spouting Horn, a natural blowhole where water shoots up through a lava tube, creating a dramatic display. Take in the beauty of this unique phenomenon and capture some memorable photos. Next, make your way to Poipu Beach, one of the most popular beaches on the island. Enjoy a leisurely day of swimming, snorkeling, or simply lounging on the golden sands. Poipu Beach is known for its calm waters, making it perfect for families and water enthusiasts of all skill levels. If you're feeling adventurous, head to Shipwreck Beach, known for its powerful waves and surfers catching the perfect wave. Take a walk along the shoreline, enjoying the beautiful coastal scenery and the sound of crashing waves. As evening approaches, find a comfortable spot on the lava rocks overlooking the ocean, and prepare for another spectacular Kauai sunset. Bring a blanket, some snacks, and a bottle of wine to fully immerse yourself in the beauty of nature. Start your day with a hearty breakfast at Hanalei Wake Up Cafe before embarking on a scenic drive to Key Beach, located at the end of the road on Kauai's North Shore. Lace up your hiking shoes, pack plenty of water, snacks, and sunscreen, and embark on a beautiful hike along the Na Pali Coast. Alternatively, head to Tunnels Beach for an early morning snorkeling session. After enjoying the beach, visit the Lamahulai Garden of the National Tropical Botanical Garden and immerse yourself in the island's natural beauty. Refuel with a delicious lunch at Hanalei Gourmet and relax on the beach while savoring a picnic lunch. Explore the charming shops of Hanalei, treat yourself to a refreshing shave ice, and experience the laid-back pace of the North Shore. As the day winds down, sip on a cocktail at Tahiti Nui and indulge in a relaxing dinner at either Barracuda in Hanalei or Mediterranean Gourmet at the Hanalei Bay Colony Resort. Embark on a westward journey to Waimea Canyon, known as the Grand Canyon of the Pacific. Be prepared for changing weather conditions and pack warm clothes and rain gear. Begin your day with breakfast or coffee at the Kalaheo Cafe and Coffee Co., where you can also pick up a picnic lunch for your adventure. Explore the Russian Fort, Elizabeth State Historical Park, and the Menehune Ditch in Waimea Town, before delving into the various hiking trails in the Waimea Canyon area. After an invigorating day of hiking, treat yourself to a delicious Italian dinner at Pomodoro in Kalaheo. If you're up for another day of hiking, head back up the mountain to Koki State Park, located approximately 16 miles up from Waimea Canyon. Enjoy a leisurely lunch at the Koki Lodge, followed by a visit to the Koki Natural History Museum, where you can learn about the local flora and fauna and pick up trail maps for your exploration. Spend the afternoon wandering through the park and marveling at its natural wonders. If it's a Friday night, indulge in dinner at the Hanape Cafe, or try the delectable and affordable Thai cuisine at Toy's Thai Kitchen in Alil. For a tropical dining experience, Kyoki's Paradise in Poipu offers excellent seafood and steaks amidst a lush jungle setting. Take a break from hiking and adventuring to immerse yourself in the local culture and discover some hidden gems on the island. Start your day with a visit to the Kauai Coffee Company, where you can learn about the island's rich coffee culture and sample a variety of delicious brews. Take a guided tour of the plantation and gain insight into the coffee-making process from bean to cup. Next, head to the Kauai Museum in Lihu to learn about the island's history and cultural heritage. Explore the exhibits showcasing the art, artifacts, and traditions of the Hawaiian people. Gain a deeper understanding of Kauai's unique identity and the significance of its natural landscapes. In the afternoon, venture off the beaten path and discover some hidden beaches or trails. Kauai is full of hidden gems waiting to be explored. Research local recommendations or ask the hotel staff for their favorite secret spots. Remember to respect the environment and leave no trace as you enjoy these hidden treasures. For dinner, try a local eatery like Hamura Seiman in Lihu, known for its delicious and comforting noodle soup. Indulge in the flavors of Hawaii and savor the authentic cuisine of the island. Anahola, located on the northeastern side of the island, offers a laid-back and relaxed atmosphere. Spend a night at Kumu Camp Beach Retreat, a privately owned campsite that provides hot showers, a cooking area, and access to a private beach. Enjoy beach games and soak up the sun in this tranquil setting. Alternatively, consider staying at the Pono Kai Resort in nearby Kapaa. This beachfront resort offers stunning views, spacious rooms, and a relaxing pool area. Nahalapu Beach, nominated as one of the top beaches in the world by Outside Magazine, is a hidden gem on Kauai. Start your day with a visit to this pristine stretch of coastline, located just past the Hyatt Resort in Poipu. Take a leisurely walk along the beach, feeling the soft sand between your toes and listening to the calming sound of the waves. Nahalapu Beach offers stunning views and a peaceful atmosphere, perfect for relaxation and reflection. If you're up for a hike, explore the surrounding trails and venture into the nearby forests. The beauty of Nahalapu Beach lies not only in its sandy shores, but also in its untouched natural landscapes. After a day of hiking and beach exploration, treat yourself to a delicious meal at one of Poipu's renowned restaurants. Rumfire, located at the Sheraton, offers a modern coastal ambience and a menu filled with fresh and flavorful dishes. Indulge in the island's culinary delights while enjoying the stunning ocean views. After a couple of days exploring the mountains, it's time to return to the beach. Enjoy a delicious breakfast at the Tip Top Cafe or bakery in Lihu before embarking on a sailing and snorkeling tour from the Kukuila Small Boat Harbor or Port Allen. Sail along the stunning Na Pali Coast, encountering turtles, flying fish, and other marine creatures. If sailing isn't your cup of tea, take a stroll through the old plantation town of Hanape and browse unique shops. Head to Palahale State Park, home to Kauai's largest beach, and spend the day basking in the sun. Don't forget to witness the Barking Sands at Barking Sands Beach and admire the breathtaking sunset. Finally, savor a waterfront dinner at Tide Pool Restaurant at the Grand Hyatt in Poipu. Palihale Beach is a hidden gem on the western side of Kauai, known for its remote and breathtaking beauty. To fully immerse yourself in the Palihale experience, we recommend camping on the beach. Pitch your tent right on the sand and wake up to stunning sunrises and sunsets. Take advantage of the large waves for surfing and enjoy the serene atmosphere. If camping isn't your style, consider staying at the Waimea Plantation Cottages. These charming cottages offer a comfortable and picturesque retreat just a short drive from Palihale Beach. Take a break from the beach and spend the day exploring the Kilauea area. Begin by calling Na Pali Botanical Gardens to ensure they are open and book a tour. This enchanting garden is a paradise for nature lovers, offering a whimsical and magical experience. Afterward, visit the unique shops at Kong in Kilauea and pick up a delicious picnic lunch at Kilauea Fish Market. Continue your day at the Kilauea Point National Wildlife Refuge, home to Hawaii's oceanic birds. Enjoy a picnic lunch by the coast, join a guided hike, or simply immerse yourself in the beauty of the wilderness. Conclude your day with a delightful dinner at Lighthouse Bistro Kilauea. Start your day with an early morning kayak adventure on the Wailua River. Rent kayaks from a local company like Wailua Kayak and canoe and paddle your way through the lush, jungle-like surroundings. Explore the Wailua River's calm waters and navigate through narrow channels. Along the way, you'll encounter beautiful scenery and may even spot some wildlife. Leave your kayaks on the riverbank and embark on a short but scenic hike to Secret Falls. This hidden gem is a picturesque waterfall that cascades into a natural pool, perfect for a refreshing swim. After your adventure on the river, head back to your hotel for some relaxation. Take advantage of the resort amenities, such as pools, spas, or simply lounging by the beach. Treat yourself to a delicious dinner at one of the hotel's restaurants, savoring the flavors of the island. If you prefer a non-beach day, explore the vibrant shopping scene along the coast or visit the sacred Hindu temple, San Marga Raven Temple. Enjoy a delicious lunch at Mermaid's Cafe in Kappa, and spend the afternoon hiking Sleeping Giant Mountain, cycling along the shoreline, or renting a kayak from Kauai Water Ski and Surf Co. As the day winds down, satisfy your hunger at Caf Coco. For the adventurous souls, hiking the renowned Na Pali Coast is a bucket list experience. Secure permits in advance and embark on the challenging 22-mile hike along the coast. Camp at the remote Kalalau Beach and immerse yourself in the untouched beauty of this rugged coastline. If hiking isn't for you, spend 2 nights at Hanalei Beach and explore the stunning Na Pali Coast through a shorter hike along the first 2 miles to Hanakapi'ai Valley. Enjoy the pristine beaches, visit Ka Beach, and marvel at the breathtaking scenery. Hanalei Beach Park offers county campsite options for a budget-friendly stay, or you can opt for the Hanalei Colony Resort for a luxurious beachfront experience. Embrace new experiences on this day of adventure. Sign up for a tubing adventure with Kauai Backcountry Adventures, where you'll float down former sugarcane irrigation flumes and revel in the beauty of the island. Alternatively, try the exhilarating zipline adventure at Outfitters Kauai's Kipu Falls Zipline Trek for a rush of adrenaline. After an action-packed day, unwind on the beach and recharge for the days ahead. Discover Kauai from a different perspective by joining a kayaking tour, allowing you to come face to face with marine life, such as turtles and flying fish. In the afternoon, embark on a horseback riding tour that offers a unique vantage point of the island. Choose from a variety of tours, ranging from secluded beach rides to treks to hidden waterfalls. Enjoy a quiet dinner and an early bedtime, reflecting on the incredible experiences of the past days. Indulge yourself with a day of relaxation and pampering at a luxurious spa. Treat your body to a traditional Hawaiian lamalomi massage or rejuvenate with an Ayurvedic massage. Take this opportunity to unwind and recharge, enjoying the peaceful ambience of the spa. Order room service or indulge in takeout for dinner, savoring the flavors of Hawaii from the comfort of your accommodations. Take some time to unwind and soak in the beauty of Hanalei Beach Park. This picturesque spot offers golden sand, crystal clear waters, and a tranquil atmosphere. Whether you choose to swim, sunbathe, or simply relax with a good book, Hanalei Beach Park is the perfect place to recharge. Polish up your tan and spend another day basking in the sun at one of Kauai's stunning beaches. Explore different beach locations to experience the diversity of Kauai's coastline. Even if one side of the island has rainy weather, you can often find bright sunshine on the other side. Treat yourself to a tropical flavored shave ice, a local delight that perfectly complements the beach atmosphere. Take advantage of the remaining days to gather unique gifts for your loved ones back home. Explore the island's excellent shopping options, discovering great buys and souvenirs that reflect Kauai's culture and beauty. From local crafts to handmade jewelry, you'll find something special for everyone on your list. To truly make the most of your time in Kauai, it's essential to rent a car. The island is full of hidden gems and off-the-beaten-path attractions that are best accessed by car. Having the freedom to explore at your own pace will allow you to discover the true beauty of Kauai. There are several car rental companies on the island, but it's recommended to book in advance to secure the best rates and availability. Consider renting from Discount Hawaii Car Rental, which offers competitive prices and flexible cancellation policies. Remember to check the availability and opening hours of activities and attractions, as well as any necessary permits and reservations. Plan your days accordingly and embrace the flexibility to adjust your itinerary based on weather conditions and personal preferences. Say goodbye to the beautiful island of Kauai as you depart from Lihu. Reflect on the incredible experiences and memories you've made during your 10-day adventure. We hope this itinerary has provided you with an unforgettable journey through the wild, rural, and breathtakingly beautiful landscapes of Kauai. And that's a wrap on our electrifying journey through Kauai, Hawaii. From heart-thumping adventures to mouth-watering escapades, we've tasted the zest of life. If you're as jazzed as we are, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to TravelTube, and ring the notification bell because we're cooking up more travel magic soon.